Hello, everyone. Hello to MMM community. My name is Rianel B. Amelia. I'm a very active participant of MMM community starting the year of 2015 or 2015. So I'm very glad as a member of this community, and it is really a great privilege for me to be able to help other people, and in return, we are very fortunate to get help from them also. So there's a great impact of MMM community in my life because just last month when my husband got an accident, motorcycle accident. So we lost all our money because we spent our money for the hospitalization of my husband. And today, through the help of MMM community, I'm very thankful that I am able to get help from those people in this community who are very helpful and not hesitant to help other people. So it was last August 9 when I provided help in the amount of 16,600 pesos. So I'm also glad to be able to help other people because I know that when I provide today, I will get help tomorrow. Thank you very much, MMM community. Long live and mabuhay.